Introducing the Sonic Halo, a groundbreaking anti-snoring wearable that's silently revolutionizing sleep. This headband, equipped with bone conduction technology, detects and reduces snoring by sending gentle sound waves through your bones, allowing for a peaceful night's rest. It's designed for those troubled by their own or their partner's snoring, and boasts features like an ergonomic fit and seamless integration with sleep tracking apps. Perfect for home use, its sleek design seamlessly blends into your nighttime routine, ensuring a comfortable experience without intrusive noise or discomfort. So, do you think the Sonic Halo is a sleep necessity or merely a techie novelty? Let us know your thoughts below.